Hey folks, what if I told you lawn care could be fully hands-free, smart and actually kind of cool? Meet the Sunseeker X3 Plus. It's a next-gen robotic mower that's basically a self-driving car for your yard. Today I'm unboxing it, I'm setting it up and putting its AI to the test. Inside the box you got the X3 Plus mower, charging station, power adapters, antenna and the user manual. Setup is simple. And bonus, no annoying boundary wires required thanks to the virtual mapping system. So step 1, plug it in and fully charge the mower. Step 2, open the Sunseeker Smart app to map out your yard. You can even connect it to Alexa or Google Assist for voice control, or use 4G GPS tracking if you want that anti-theft protection. Now this is the manual option of setting up your map where you manually drive the X3 around and create your borders. If you don't want to do it manually, you can use the AI function where it will use AI to set your boundaries. And this actually is showing how accurate it's getting by using the AI. Within the app, you can then set up your work boundaries, pathways, no-go zones, and you can set up multiple different maps and areas if you have different lawns around your property. Okay, this thing is seriously smart. Using its AO Navi system, it combines GPS and visual SLAM to map your entire lawn. Even if it's shaded, angled, or filled with narrow spaces. It avoids over 200 obstacles using AI-driven depth perception. So whether it's your garden gnome, your dog, your kids' toys, it knows how to navigate safely. And with the float cutting system, it adapts to uneven terrain, giving you a clean, consistent cut every time. So as the X3 Plus works away mowing the lawn, not sure if you can hear it, but you can't really hear the X3. You may be able to hear the HVAC unit that's on the roof, or maybe the dog barking next door, because those two noises are definitely outpowering how quiet this actually is. The other cool thing is, because it is so quiet, if you want to get out here at nighttime or early morning and you didn't want to wake your neighbors, you can manually control it and you can mow your lawn very, very quietly without disturbing anyone. Plus, if I'm being honest with you, it's kind of like driving around an RC car, so it's making the chores fun again. The results speak for themselves. Clean lines, even cuts, and zero effort, well, from me. It also auto recharges and pauses mowing if it starts raining. In my experience, the X3 Plus has been smooth sailing, but like any of these mowers, you know, it may have a couple little hiccups. Simple things like if it doesn't charge, make sure the dock's on flat ground. If it misses spots, just remap. It's really that simple. That app interface really allows you just to customize and add to it and remap, or just adjust the cutting height. Plus, another thing I love about it is it's super quiet. It's under 60 decibels, so it's not gonna wake the baby or freak out your dog. Look, this is more than a mower. It's a lawn care assistant that works rain, shine, avoids everything from pets to pipes, and makes mowing basically a thing of the past. So if you are interested in the Sunseeker X3 Plus, we are going to be leaving a link in the description below. Drop a comment on what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend who you think may need this in their life. Hit that like button and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.